there are some myths about IT industry, about being very busy, having no work-life balance, etc. But the people are very busy, etc. Let me share you some data because I have worked closely with HR and HR people. I worked with Monusha, I worked with Sugandha. They can also comment here. We looked at in-out timings. When people say that there is no work-life balance, lot of workload, etc. So in-out timing, I was handling, I was checking in-out timings and overall the location-wise. If you look at Magarpatta earlier or later on Hinjawadi also, if you look at the data, 90% of the people came by company bus and went home by company bus daily. 90%. Arguments like let's say 85% or 80%, let's say, because 10% are on bench, right? They don't have any work. 10% I have no work. 80% who are actually on project. 80% of project people who are 90% of people who are actually on project, they came on time, went on time. They had a commute which was morning very less, because morning you leave at 8:20, 8:30 from your bus stop. Bus picks you up. 35 to 40 minutes you are in office. Maximum 45 minutes you are in office. Worst case 50 minutes maybe. And that too I am talking about Mukund Nagar traveling to Hinjawadi, etc. Okay, so that first that commute is very high. No, it's not. Evening, yeah, 15-20 minutes more probably. Yeah, and if it rains, yeah, some days in the year, yeah. So the commute in Pune is not that bad. Okay, infrastructure is bad. That's another topic. It's not this IT industry topic. Okay, so IT industry people, if you look at the financial results, if you look at their division of revenue comes from, I think 15-20% comes from ITIM, IT services, infrastructure support. Infrastructure 15-20%. I don't think they have more than 10 hours of work jobs. I don't think they have more work, more than one shift work, 8 hours, 9 hours, whatever the shift is. 30% is 25 to 30% is verification, validation, testing. A lot of female employees work in this area. A lot of, and they also have very manageable work. Then application maintenance, production support, application development, application maintenance. That is 30%. So there is only 10% of work which requires huge hard work and a lot of work at 14 hours, 15 hours a day. 10% of work, maybe 5% of work. And where skill sets don't match. People don't have that skill sets. Freshers are there. 3-year, 4-year, 5-year-old programmer are needed, whereas you have 2 years, 3 years, etc. Okay, so I understood. And this 10% who are really busy, they can vary. They vary every 6 months, every 1 year. This change. Not like only those 10% are working very hard, etc. So 10% people are overworked maybe, and that's a problem. That they might have that problem. And 10% it keeps changing. 10% to bench pay hai, 15% bench pay hai. Okay. So this myth that IT industry people are very busy, they don't have work-life balance is hopelessly wrong. It's a myth. It's a very, very extremely, and their work environment is also good. Mast AC proper. A lot of people don't go home early because they are in office. Mast AC में mast gym वगैरह proper एकदम झकास, table tennis वगैरह. It's a must. So it's a total myth. And also IT industry quality of work, this is back office. ये बजाज का पहले होता था EDP डिपार्टमेंट, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डेटा प्रोसेसिंग डिपार्टमेंट. तो ये बजाज का EDP होता था, ये रिलायंस का EDP है, बजाज और ये टाटा का EDP, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डेटा प्रोसेसिंग, पेरोल प्रोसेसिंग, ये प्रोसेसिंग, एम्प्लॉय डेटाबेस. Similarly, we are the EDP for whole world. We are the electronic data processing for the whole world. We are back office for the whole world. We are not into cutting edge technology. That's why our management keeps buying our shares, buyback. They don't invest much in technology or platforms, etc. Very, very less. So it's a subpar industry, not high class industry, first and foremost. Very obviously speaking. So overall, this is a myth. Overall, this video is no apology, no excuse for Pune infrastructure, which is extremely pathetic infrastructure. Gadde, crowded roads, parking, forget about it. No flyovers, no planning whatsoever, and some bottlenecks like you have to go to injury phase 1 to go to injury phase 3. Ridiculous bottlenecks. Anyways, that's not an excuse for this, but stop this propaganda that they overwork people and don't have work-life balance. If you don't want to go home early, you stay in office, but don't propagate false information about the industry. Okay, and commute also is not that bad statistically speaking. And the commute, yeah, of course it can be improved. But people move, इंजोड़ी रहते हैं, people मगरपट्टा में रहते हैं, people walk to work मगरपट्टा many of the work. So you can always choose to be closer to your office place. That's not an excuse, but still, anyways. But so just thought of posting something, and you can comment if I'm wrong. If I'm saying something which is wrong, because I left ITMDC in 2017. But that data continues, and work from home should be banished. So work from home should be illegally should be said illegal. But that's a different topic. I will post a different video. Work from home is a cancer to the society. Work from home should not be allowed. 5 days out of 5 days you need to be in office, especially Friday. You need to bond with the team. You need to spend time with the team. Thanks.